Okay, the center speaker on the Sprinter van is just awful. It dominates the sound, makes it painful to listen to anything, really. So, this is a quick video showing you how to remove it. Just, you could use a screwdriver, but I've got those little plastic pry tools. Pry off the speaker grill. And yeah, the video doesn't capture how bad the sound is. I mean, I can't overemphasize. Listening to podcasts was just painful. All right, so these just pop off. There's just plastic clips that insert into the dashboard. Once you get that off, the speaker itself just pops up. There's two connections to the speaker. You want to unplug the black connector. Sorry, the GoPro didn't capture the money shot, but you got a 50-50, but it's the black one. Leave the white plug in. That apparently is tied to the SOS system of the Sprinter van. I took a zip tie or a Velcro tie to tie those two together, just so that if I ever wanted to restore it, I could find that other wire. Pop the grill in, and you're back in business, and the difference is amazing. Again, this doesn't capture it, but it sounds so much better. Thanks for watching.